What's up, my friends? How you doing? I hope you well. So, let's go to the video. We are going to talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, what can you expect right now in the short term, because we are not doing too much about it, actually. And we were talking about this triangle in past videos, and we failed the break, and we were talking how important is this middle line of the triangle when this kind of triangles happen, mostly if they are even more, sorry, if those are symmetrical triangles. This point is a good sell point. So I sold a little bit just to check how the movement is going, and we don't have any momentum, so I closed that with basically almost nothing of profits, but profits, okay, because we don't have that huge movement continuation, okay, and I was waiting that, and we don't have that. So right now we have buy signals here also, nothing for our 3 hourly. We are kind of getting flat, so that's also a bad indication for the short, for the bears. So right now, actually looks quite good, even though in Ethereum you can see we are making divergences right now, okay? Because we have these low prices here and here. So we are also getting, we have here some curve, okay? So we are not more in the down momentum, so we are kind of flat, so we can expect a correction. Also is the channel in here, we basically support over here, so that also indication, right? And you can make this. We don't have too much data, so right now this should be the only thing that we can draw here, okay? So we are going to keep watching this, and not too much, we don't have too much momentum right now, so yeah, maybe if you are minute for 50 minutes, 5 minute trader, maybe you have something there, but right now not too much. Also in Dash, I told you that I'm going to sell some positions, so I did it, and it was right about this area to the upside. And I'm buying back because we don't have that huge momentum. We have a little bit of earnings, but right now not too much actually, and we are starting to have some buy signals, so yeah, I was expecting something more bigger, well, maybe something like this, because we have this first drop, second drop, but not too much, but we will need to be careful about this area in case of dash, because this down area is right now acting as support. And we are going to have some gold also here, so gold with gold is going to be almost perfect in here. That's for the short term. It to give us some good indications, maybe some bounce. We need to see that, okay? But so far, nothing bad, okay? Moment dominance, not so much. We are not doing basically nothing. We have this, maybe some W here. Not too much information, to be honest. And I want to show you also grayscale Bitcoin right here. So this looks bearish, still bearish, but we are in a part which we have a lot of support, okay, right in this area. You can see this is just too obvious right now, okay, just too obvious. So we have this area, this point, this point, this point, this point, this point, this point also. So if we are going to keep going down, we need to break some important areas, okay? So some pretty huge heavy supports right now. And watching now what we don't have the momentum. That's what I want to say. We don't have too much momentum. So we have this correction which give us a lot of breath, and right now not so much momentum. So that's when people want to buy. That's the reality. So this kind of manipulations or big sell-offs. So let me see. Yeah, nothing out of the usual, but this candle have a lot of volume. So you can see this volume is not this candle actually. Okay, let me zoom in this a little bit more. You can see the volume, this huge volume is right here. Okay, so people that want to buy, or those persons that start this movement, this huge movement, they want to buy in this area. Okay, that's really easy because we have this huge volume. When you see volume, it's not always sell volume, it can be buy volume. Okay, that this doesn't mean that we have here, for example, red. So that's why I change all in orange or any color that you like, because you can see more clearly this is the volume. Okay, it's not green or red, it doesn't matter. Okay, because usually the volume is the same color as the candle, but that doesn't mean anything. Okay, this is how much was how much money were traded in this candle. Okay, so there is a lot of money in this candle right now. Okay, this is very important, this candle here, very important. So you think those persons that bought a ton of Bitcoin right here, they want to the price going down? No. Okay, they still buying, that's why we have this. So you need to know that people or institution, anything with big money, they also have competition. Okay, there are two people, someone wants to go up, someone wants to go down, even though with the big money. So right now those who want to buy cheap, they already did it, and now they want to defend this area. Okay, and that's how Bitcoin is looking right now. So we have a little war over here, and in the short time frames you can see we are in this channel here. Okay, we are in this channel right here, and you want to see some opportunities. Right now we need to break either to the upside or the downside. Right now it looks more to the upside. The short time frames, no. Okay, but we are talking 3 hourly or something like this. Okay, we are going to start to see some buy indications, so just wait until we have a higher high, because you can see, oh my gosh, no, let me delete this one. This is lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. Okay, low, lower, low, lower, low, lower, low. So pretty easy, right? We are going down. If you want to buy, wait a little bit until we make maybe a head and shoulders here or something like this, and we are going to break any previous high, and this is going to need to hold somewhere, and then we can start to think to buying. That's easy. If you want to risk a little bit, you can start buying here, but we are not 100% sure that this is going to keep going to the downside. Okay, so far it looks like we have good momentum building up to the upside. Okay, we are losing the down momentum. This is not too much volatility, and we can expect some good movements. So let's wait this to have a good confirmation. Usually in the weekends we have sell pressure. Okay, that's how it is in the weekends. So prepare for any movement. It can be in the weekend. Okay, in the next 2 days. And let me see if we have some indication. Our indicators, no, nothing, basically nothing. We are in the middle, so nothing great, nothing bad, just what it is. Weekly we are holding support, so that's good. That's good. Weekly momentum. Ooh, we have a big sell signal here. Right now, I'm not calling a reversal, but huge indecision, I will say. In the short time, maybe a bounce, but not too much. Not too much. I will not be trading this weekend because I don't see something great right now, okay? I'm not watching something really great. And 45 minutes we have a well here, so we may have a bounce. If you want to buy, just put your stop limit in stop loss, sorry. In these areas, 44, a little bit lower, and you can target somewhere here, 48 maybe. 48, yeah, 48, why not? 48, yeah, 44, 48, 44, stop loss, 48. Not financial advice as always, but that's what you can expect, okay? But I will not going to do a big trades right now because we don't have good movements. We are kind of zigzag, okay? And what about the pattern? We are going to check that and let me see also where it is. Which Bitcoin it has the pattern? This one, no. This one, no. This one, nope. Nope. Here. Okay, this one is the pattern. Let me hide this well here. Okay, makes sense. We have a bounce here. We may have a bounce here. That's why we were talking here. We are kind of here, I suppose, because we have this range, down movement, maybe a week, but we don't have too much momentum like we have here. So maybe a week, a little drop maybe here, and then a bounce, maybe retesting this triangle to the upside. It may be probable, so we need to see some retest of these areas. Then we are going to see if we have the momentum or we are going to fall to the downside. Yeah, that's will be for this video, man. S&P closing red. Yeah, we have a sell day basically in other assets. Now also silver, also gold, yeah. And the other weekend sell off. So yeah, that's what I like about crypto. It's 24/7, right? You can't sleep. Okay. Yeah, I was watching this coin because kind of similar of dogecoin. You can see. And let me make some little draws here. Yeah, we have a lot of time to play. So not yet, not yet. At least in here, not yet. Okay, yeah. We need confirmation, but we may going to have some golden area like we have here. But we don't have confirmation, so yeah, of course it depends on Bitcoin, right? Right, right. Let's see the bigger picture also here. Well, in the pattern, we were kind of here, but this drop was basically too much for a day. Okay, something like here, too much for a day. So we don't have too much momentum because this correction was quite long for a movement. When you have big moments, you want to have big reactions, but we kind of be doing nothing. So that's why we also have this support. We were talking about this right here. Okay, this area also we have peaks, peaks, peaks. Yeah. And we pay the divergences, so we don't need to worry more of that. And we are near to the downside, so we may have a golden here. That's quite good actually. So good signal so far. We don't need to worry for big sell-offs, at least for now, for today. Okay, don't forget to leave your like, stay safe. I don't know why we have this boring music, but that was in the playlist. Okay, see you, stay safe, don't do stupid things, sorry. And no trade is also trade. Remember that. That's very important. No trade is also trade. Okay, you don't need to be trading all the time. That's the most important point of all the points. Okay, you can rest. That's trading. You put an order. You wait. You wait. You take profit or take a stop losses, and you keep going. Simple like that. Don't complicate your life. Okay? See you, man.